Portable hand sealer machine. Take the power switch and properly align it with the machine. Now take a pouch filled with fine material. Place the heated portable hand sealer, similar to an iron, firmly on the pouch opening and move it steadily across the top to create a proper seal. The pouch is now securely sealed. Next, take another pouch filled with granular material and seal it by repeating the same pressing and sealing process. Now take an aluminum foil pouch. Seal it using the same pressing method and finally verify the seal to ensure it is firm, uniform, and properly closed. Then take a plastic pouch, repeat the sealing process, and check the seal to ensure proper adhesion and uniformity. Compact and lightweight design for easy handling and mobility. Impulse sealing technology ensures quick and energy-efficient operation.